Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rock Band drums. First, connect your drum kit to your gaming console and power it on. You'll notice 4 colored drum pads: red, yellow, blue, and green, plus an orange kick pedal. Take a moment to get comfortable with their layout. Adjust your drum kit's height and position so you can reach all pads and the pedal easily. This initial setup is crucial for a great... Now, let's dive into the gameplay mechanics. As notes scroll down the screen, simply hit the drum pad that matches the note's color. When you see an orange horizontal line, that's your cue to press the kick pedal. Your goal is to hit as many notes as possible in a row to build up your combo multiplier. A higher multiplier means more points, so accuracy is key to mastering the rhythm. Another common way to log in is directly through your website's URL. Simply open your browser and type your domain name, followed by a / and wp-admin. For example, your website, com/wp-admin. This will take you to the standard WordPress login page. Here, you'll need to enter the username or email and password you set up for your WordPress site. Remember, there are also variations like /login or /wplogin. PHP that might work. To become a drumming pro, consistent practice is essential. Begin with easier difficulty settings to get a feel for the game, then slowly work your way up. The game's practice mode is incredibly helpful. It allows you to slow down tricky song sections and perfect your timing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different songs and genres to improve your rhythm, coordination, and overall drumming skills. Keep practicing, and you'll see great improvement.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.